Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to part 2 of your reading lesson today. I really hope you enjoyed part 1, where you got to learn with Miss Spears more about Adelita and what kind of character she is and what traits she possesses. Now, in part 2, hold on to your seats, boys and girls. We're going to be doing some detective work. So Miss Spears has a paragraph, an opinion paragraph for us to read and to try to figure out what's missing. Is it the opinion statement? Is it the reasons? Is it the conclusion? We don't know. So you're going to read this paragraph with Miss Spears to help her figure out what's missing. Then you are going to write a sentence to help her complete the paragraph. Now, I'm not going to show you the next slide because it's going to give away what part of the paragraph is missing. So don't cheat. Don't look ahead. You need to watch the video first. But then when you're ready, after you've watched the video, you're going to go to the next slide and you are going to either insert a picture of the sentence that you wrote to help complete the paragraph in the slide. You can take a picture of your journal entry and you can insert it right into that slide, this very next slide, slide 6. Or you can type, I've given you 2 boxes because there's 2 prompts to choose from. So you can choose one of those and type your answer or type your sentence in that box. So either insert a picture and type your sentence in the box, but you have to do one of the 2. Don't just leave it blank. There's an activity there, okay? All right, friends, I know your teacher and I cannot wait to read the sentence that you write to help Miss Spears complete her paragraph. Have fun, good luck, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, friends, you know a lot about Adelita's character traits from reading the text and examining the illustrations. Today, you will write a conclusion to an opinion paragraph about how the illustrations help you learn about Adelita. And you're going to be thinking about this question. How do conclusions work in opinion paragraphs? Now, what is the purpose of a conclusion in an opinion paragraph? Think, share with your learning partner, or just share aloud. A conclusion in an opinion paragraph reinforces the opinion of the writer. It restates the opinion in a slightly different way. So now let's examine another writer's opinion paragraph and suggest a possible conclusion. The writer responded to this prompt. Are you listening? Here's the prompt. What illustration taught you the most about the character Adelita? Now, this is the illustration that they chose to write about. Are you looking at the illustration? Okay, here is the opinion paragraph they wrote. Listen carefully. In my opinion, the illustration on page 11 taught me the most about Adelita. The illustration helped me see that Adelita is lonely. She has to work in the kitchen by herself. Now, what is the writer's opinion in this paragraph? Point to the opinion statement on the screen and remember to point gently. Did you point? All right, now, what reason and evidence does the writer give to support their opinion? Share your ideas with the learning partner or just share aloud. Did you share? All right, now, what is missing from this paragraph? Think, what is missing from this paragraph? I'm sure you shared that the conclusion is missing from this paragraph. Remember, the conclusion for an opinion paragraph needs to reinforce the writer's opinion. Let's read the sentence frames you see on the screen together. Are you ready? Here we go. That is why this shows. You're going to use these sentence frames to help you write a conclusion for your paragraph. I'm going to reread the paragraph one more time. In my opinion, the illustration on page 11 taught me the most about Adelita. The illustration helped me see that Adelita is lonely. She has to work in the kitchen by herself. Now, what I'd like you to do is orally rehearse a conclusion for the opinion paragraph. I'm going to say it one more time. What I'd like you to do is rehearse aloud a conclusion for the opinion paragraph. Remember, you can use one of the sentence frames to start your opinion conclusion. Are you ready? Go ahead and orally rehearse a conclusion for the opinion paragraph you see on the screen. Did you rehearse aloud? If you didn't, I encourage you to go back and do so, because now you are going to write a conclusion to the opinion paragraph in your journal. Remember, you can rewind the video if you want to see the full paragraph again. Are you ready? Pause the video to write a conclusion. All right, awesome first graders. Did you write your conclusion? If you didn't, I encourage you to go back and do so. In the next lesson, you're going to learn about another component of an opinion paragraph. But until then, be kind and do something great, because you are capable of greatness.